Same factory, same formula. Different name, different price. Kylie Lip Kit, $36. ColourPop Ultra Matte Lip, $6. Both made by Seed Beauty, documented. But that is not even the worst of it. One influencer launched lipsticks with fibers, mold and holes inside. Photographed, documented, refunded to thousands. Another product became so unusable that customers had to scrape the surface just to pick up pigment. Another partnership got severed and erased from existence. Products pulled from shelves overnight. 7 influencer beauty products with documented problems. Specific products, specific evidence, specific failures. Then 3 influencer products that genuinely earned their success. Number 7. Florence by Mills Like a Light Skin Tint. Millie Bobby Brown launched Florence by Mills targeting teenagers. Clean beauty for Gen Z. Gentle formulas for young skin. The Like a Light Skin Tint promises natural coverage, lightweight, easy for beginners. The documented reality tells a different story. Consumer complaints describe the formula as too oily for its target demographic. Teenagers often have oilier skin. A product that adds more oil creates problems. Documentation shows the tint sliding off faces within 2 hours, separating on the skin, settling into pores rather than blurring them. For a product marketed to teens learning makeup for the first time, this creates frustration. They think they are doing something wrong. The product is doing something wrong. The clean claims are brand verified, not third-party certified. Parents buying this for their teenagers trust the clean messaging without external validation. At $18, drugstore alternatives with actual dermatologist backing outperform this. Number 6. R.E.M. Beauty at the borderline eyeliner. Ariana Grande's beauty brand sells the aesthetic, space-age packaging, dreamy vibes, celebrity glamour. The At the Borderline kohl eyeliner promises smudge-proof definition, all-day wear, creamy application. The documented complaints contradict every claim. Smudging within the hour, verified across Reddit, YouTube reviews and retail sites. Users describe watching their liner migrate under their eyes by lunchtime. Even after brand reformulations, the formula lacks stay-put power. Competitors at lower price points outperform consistently. The pencil is $21. For $21, smudge-proof should mean smudge-proof. The packaging photographs beautifully. The product performs poorly. Number 5. Kylie Cosmetics Pressed Bronzing Powder. Kylie Jenner's bronzer promised sun-kissed glow, buildable color, seamless blending. The documented problem is hard pan. Hard pan happens when oils from your brush or fingers seal the powder surface. The product develops a greasy film that prevents pigment pickup. You press your brush into the bronzer and nothing transfers. Kylie's bronzer became notorious for this issue. Widespread documentation on Reddit and YouTube shows customers literally scraping the surface with a tissue just to access usable product. Once you touch it with fingers once, the oil seals the powder. The product becomes unusable without intervention. At $34, a bronzer should not require maintenance to function. Drugstore bronzers at $12 do not have this problem. The formula was designed to feel luxuriously creamy. It felt so creamy it stopped working. Number 4. Morphe 10 James Charles Palette. The collaboration that defined an era of influencer beauty. 39 shades. Massive marketing. Sold millions. Then everything collapsed. When James Charles faced serious allegations, Morphe severed the partnership completely. Products were pulled from shelves, the palette was discontinued, recalled from stores in 2023. But even before the controversy, documented quality issues existed. The mini palette specifically showed quality drops from the original. Fallout during application. Inconsistent pigmentation between pans. Some shades performed beautifully, others barely showed up. Morphe's quality control was always inconsistent. When you produce palettes at that volume, standards suffer. In 2026, these palettes exist only on resale sites. Expired. Degraded. Do not buy them. Expired makeup causes. infections, irritation, and allergic reactions. Number 3. KKW Beauty Creme Contour and Highlight Kit. Kim Kardashian invented modern contouring culture. The expectation for her contour products was perfection. The reality was chalky texture and broken sticks. Consumer documentation describes the contour sticks as difficult to blend. The formula grabbed on the skin rather than gliding. Harsh lines remained no matter how much you buffed. The cream sticks arrived broken for many customers. Shipping damage compounded by fragile formula. Products crumbling inside packaging. The shade range was notoriously limited. A brand built on contouring diverse faces offered minimal options for deeper skin tones. At $48 for small sticks, the value was questionable even when the product functioned correctly. KKW Beauty shut down in 2021. Kim rebranded to SKKN Skincare, but SKKN also shut down in June 2025. As of 2026, Kim is relaunching everything as Skims Beauty. Makeup, fragrance, and skincare consolidated under her shapewear empire. But the original contour kit failure remains documented. The woman who invented contouring culture could not make a contour product that worked. Number 2. Kylie Cosmetics Lip Kit Original Formula. The products that launched the influencer beauty industry. Lip liner and liquid lipstick sold out in seconds. Crashed websites, created waitlists, but the documented truth undermines the legend. The original formula was extremely drying. Consumers described their lips cracking after hours of wear, peeling, flaking, uncomfortable from application to removal. More importantly, documentation proved the manufacturing connection. Kylie Cosmetics was made by Seed Beauty. ColourPop was made by Seed Beauty. Same factory, same production partner. Shared base formulas. Kylie Lip Kit, $36. ColourPop Ultra Matte Lip, $6. You were paying $23 extra for the Jenner name. The formula was functionally comparable. After Coty purchased 51% of Kylie Cosmetics for $600 million in 2019, the brand reformulated. The 2021 version went clean and vegan, now $32. Many fans claimed the original drying formula actually lasted longer. The reformulation fixed comfort but reduced longevity. There is a 2026 update. For Kylie's 10th anniversary, she launched the King Kylie collection in late 2025. Original aesthetic, original shades like True Brown K nostalgia, marketing at full force. But with a 2026 clean formula that is less drying. The question remains, is the clean formula worth $32 when ColourPop still exists at $6 from the same manufacturer? The nostalgia is strong, the value math has not changed. Extremely drying original formula documented. Number 1. Jaclyn Hill So Rich Lipsticks. This is the most documented influencer product failure in beauty history. June 2019. Jaclyn Hill launched her So Rich lipstick collection, years of anticipation, fans ready to support. What they received was horrifying. White fuzzy fibers embedded in the lipstick bullets. Hair-like strands visible to the naked eye. Black specks throughout the product. Foreign material contamination. Holes and air pockets in the bullets. Oxygen trapped during cooling. Gritty texture that felt like sand on the lips. Particulate contamination. Customers photographed everything. Thousands of images flooded social media. The evidence was undeniable and permanent. Jaclyn's response made the disaster worse. She blamed fuzzy gloves at the factory. She blamed unmelted ingredients. She blamed production timeline. She blamed everything except acknowledging the fundamental quality control failure. The lab glove fiber explanation became infamous. Customers asked why lab gloves were shedding into lip products at all. After massive backlash, Jaclyn issued full refunds to every customer. She deactivated social media temporarily. Jaclyn Cosmetics never recovered. The brand shut down in early 2024 when parent company Former Brands filed for bankruptcy. The same company that owned Morphe. The lipsticks were $18. For $18, customers expected basic safety. They received contamination. This is what happens when launch dates matter more than quality control, when hype matters more than testing, when fan loyalty is treated as guaranteed sales rather than trust that must be honored. Those are the failures. Now let me show you influencer products that actually work. What separates these from the disasters? Quality manufacturing partners, not fast beauty incubators. Formulas that perform before marketing, not marketing that precedes formulas. Actual innovation. Something new. Option 3. Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb. $21. But $21 for genuine innovation. Rihanna did not just launch another lip gloss, she solved the lip gloss problem. Traditional glosses are sticky, they catch hair, they feel uncomfortable. Most people abandoned gloss for this reason. Gloss Bomb is documented as non-sticky. The formula actually delivers. Your hair does not attach to your lips. The shade Fenty Glow suits virtually all skin tones. Universal flattery that actually works universally. LVMH's Kendo division manufactures Fenty. Luxury tier production, same standards as high-end prestige brands. The product changed what consumers expected from lip gloss. Competitors had to reformulate. Option 2. Haus Labs Triclone Skin Tech Foundation. $52 now. Up from launch price. Still worth it. Lady Gaga launched Haus Labs in 2019. Reviews were mixed. Products were fine but unremarkable. Then Gaga did something rare. She acknowledged it was not good enough and completely rebuilt. The 2022 Sephora relaunch introduced Triclone Skin Tech Foundation, entirely new formula, Clean at Sephora certified, 51 shades, verified inclusive range that actually matches diverse skin tones. The formula contains fermented arnica to reduce redness, skincare benefits built into foundation. This is widely documented as the best influencer-led reformulation in beauty history. Gaga admitted failure and delivered excellence. Most celebrity brands coast on initial hype. Haus Labs rebuilt from honest assessment. Complete reformulation after honest assessment. Option 1. Rare Beauty Soft Pinch Liquid Blush. $23. The influencer product that deserves every bit of success. Selena Gomez created a blush formula that actually innovates. 1 dot is enough. The pigmentation is so concentrated that a tiny amount covers both cheeks. The bottle lasts months longer than traditional blush. The formula is buildable without becoming patchy. Sheer application or bold statement. Your choice. Longevity is documented as exceptional. The blush stays where you place it for 8+ hours. The shade Hope became a global bestseller. Universal flattery that photographs beautifully and looks natural in person. Selena is documented as deeply involved in formulation. She attends development meetings. She tests products. The mental health mission is authentic. Rare Beauty donates to the Rare Impact Fund. Genuine commitment. Sephora exclusive means meeting Sephora clean standards. Third-party verification. Not all influencer products are bad, but most are not worth the markup. Check the manufacturer, check the documentation, check the real reviews. If this helped you, like and subscribe. Comment below. What influencer product have you tried? Worth it or waste? All sources in description. See you in the next one.